What's up, everyone? Welcome to beautiful Bali, Indonesia. We are here at Coinfest 2025, and we are so excited to talk to traders, investors, KOLs, and all sorts of incredible people here in the Web3 space. The sun is out, it's beautiful. We're gonna have a great time. So let's go check it out. We'll see you in there. What's the goals, really?
I think the plan is to meet new people, see how I can help them in the industry and see how they can help me. Kind of explore a new region of the cryptocurrency industry and definitely a new vibe.
Safety, cold storage. That's what we're actually getting. We're partnered right now with Ledger. Does it look like a spike? I'm a Bitcoin maxi myself. What are your visions for Bitcoin? What do you hope in the next few years for Bitcoin in the ecosystem?
People should look out for the Bitcoin blockchain ecosystem.
Yes, absolutely. And all the Lightning Network stuff.
Oh yeah, there are a lot of liquid payments as well. Like there's a liquid Bitcoin as well. So
Yeah, love it.
people don't even know. Like there's stable coins on Bitcoin as well. So I'm quite bullish on the Bitcoin ecosystem. So,
Yeah, beautiful. Well, we hope you have a great time at Coinfest. So I'm from BYDFi. We just partnered with Ledger Nano.
That's lovely.
To keep all your assets safe, I want to gift this to you.
Thank you so much.
So you can keep all your assets safe. Potentially, your AI agents safe.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Well, us at BYDFi, we're all about education, and so we open platforms that give you fake money to start understanding how to allocate and put those in investments and watch them grow or fail as you can practice, like practice money basically. That's something that we're really big on. So I hope that that's something interesting to you if you're looking to understand more of the fundamental levels of the ecosystem.
And I hope this event can educate and to get some network for crypto trader or crypto investment, even crypto developer to get to know each other.
Beautiful. Well, thank you for your time, Isra. I hope you have a great rest of your Coinfest.
Thank you so much, John.
And see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.